Hi friends, welcome to a new vlog of Trip Dude. In this vlog, I'm going to show you Murudeshwar, which is a popular tourist destination in Karnataka. The major attraction in Murudeshwar are the Murudeshwar temple, Shiva statue and Murudeshwar beach. Large parking space is available near the temple. Murudeshwar is a town in Bhatkala Taluk of Uttara Karnataka district in Karnataka. Murudeshwar has a railway station on the Mangaluru-Mumbai-Konkan railway route. In this video, let's get into the visuals of Murudeshwar Gopura, which is also known as Rajagopuram. The Shiva statue and Murudeshwar beach, let's see in another video. There is facility available to keep your footwears outside the temple. Everything at Murudeshwar seems to be built at a grand scale like the Gopura and Shiva statue. This dome or Rajagopuram is the second tallest Gopuram in the world. The two life-size statues of elephants at the entrance are most often used as props for selfies and photographs against the structure. Every inch of this Gopuram has carved figures of gods, goddess and heavenly beauties. A pair of binoculars or zoom lenses will help you to view these carvings and statues very clearly. Puja ticket counters and laddu counters are available just after the entrance. Murudeshwar is famous for world's second tallest Shiva statue. This 237 feet and 21-story structure gives a fantastic aerial view of the towering Lord Shiva statue. We have seen a lot of foreigners and South Indian people visit here. It was crowded since we went on Sunday. Usually during weekends or festive season it will be crowded. floor of Gopuram can be accessed via a lift at a normal cost of 10 rupees. Also note that there is a very small window that gives a view of the statue, so there is a lot of crowdings at the window. The best time to visit Rajagopuram would be before afternoon or early morning, as the sunrays fall upon the statue, making the statue illuminate and shine in the natural light. The top aerial view with the sea forming the background makes the Shiva statue even larger. An early morning visit is the best to avoid the crowd. Do not miss the bird's eye view of the beach and the nearby town from the 18th floor. And don't miss to watch the Murudeshwar Shiva statue and Murudeshwar beach videos in my channel. If you guys enjoy the video, please do like, share, subscribe and bell. See you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.